At the park, morning run.
Good morning.
Oh, hi there. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, really nice. The air is so fresh.
I agree. Are you here to exercise?
Yeah, I'm going to run a little. What about you?
Same here. I try to run every morning.
Every morning? That's impressive.
Well, I try. Sometimes I'm too tired.
I understand. I only run twice a week.
That's still good. Any movement is better than nothing.
You're right. How long do you usually run?
About 30 to 40 minutes, maybe?
Wow, that's a lot. I only do 20 minutes.
20 minutes is perfect. Don't push yourself too hard.
Thanks. Do you always run in this park?
Yes, I live nearby. It's very convenient.
Lucky you. I have to drive here.
Oh, really? But you still come? That's dedication.
I just love this place. It's so green and quiet.
Me too. There are many trees and birds.
Exactly. It feels peaceful here.
Do you run with music?
Sometimes, yes. But today I forgot my headphones.
That happens to me all the time.
What about you? Do you listen to music?
Not really. I prefer to hear nature.
That's a good idea.
Well, I should start now before it gets too hot.
Yeah, me too. Have a great run.
You too. Maybe I'll see you here again.
I hope so. Take care.
Bye.
At the gym.
Hey, excuse me, is this machine free?
Oh, yes, I just finished. It's all yours.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. Do you come here often?
I try to come 3 or 4 times a week.
That's great. I come almost every day.
Wow, every day? You must be very fit.
Not really. I'm still working on it.
Well, you're doing better than me.
Everyone has their own pace. What do you usually do here?
Mostly cardio. I like the treadmill and bike.
Nice. I prefer weights and strength training.
I should do more of that too.
It's really good for your muscles and bones.
Yeah, I know, but I find it a bit boring.
Try listening to podcasts. That helps me.
That's a smart idea. I'll try that next time. What time do you usually come? In the evening, after work? You? I'm a morning person. I come at 6 a.m. 6 in the morning? That's so early.
Yeah, but the gym is empty and quiet then.
That makes sense. I could never wake up that early.
It's hard at first, but you get used to it.
Maybe I'll try it someday.
You should. It feels good to finish before work.
How long do you work out for?
About 1 hour, sometimes a bit more.
I usually do 45 minutes.
That's a good amount of time.
Well, I'm going to start my workout now.
Okay, good luck. Enjoy your session.
Thanks, you too.
Learning to dance.
Hi, are you waiting for the dance class?
Yes, I am. Is this your first time here?
Yeah, I'm a complete beginner.
Don't worry, everyone is friendly here.
That's good to hear. I'm a bit nervous.
There's no need to be. Dancing is fun.
What kind of dance do they teach here?
Mostly salsa and bachata.
Oh, I've heard of those. They look difficult.
They're easier than you think. Just follow the teacher.
Have you been taking classes for long?
About 3 months now.
And do you feel like you're improving?
Yes, definitely. Practice makes perfect.
That's encouraging. Do we need a partner?
Not always. Sometimes we rotate partners.
Oh, so I'll dance with different people?
Yes, it helps you learn faster.
That sounds fun, but also scary.
Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. It's normal.
How long is the class?
1 hour. It goes by really fast.
And how much does it cost?
$10 per class, or you can buy a monthly pass.
That's affordable. I think I'll start with single classes.
Good idea. See how you like it first.
Exactly. Ooh, I think the teacher is here.
Yes, that's Maria. She's excellent.
Great. Let's go in then.
After you. Good luck.
Thanks. You too.
Playing soccer with friends.
Hey, David, long time no see.
Hey, yeah, it's been a while. How have you been?
Pretty good, thanks. Still playing soccer?
Of course. Every weekend with the guys.
That's awesome. I miss playing.
Why don't you join us this Saturday?
Really? You wouldn't mind?
Not at all. We always need more players.
What time do you play?
We start at 5 p.m., usually at the community field.
The one next to the school?
Exactly that one. Do you know where it is?
Yeah, I've been there before.
Perfect.
How many people usually play?
It depends. Sometimes 8, sometimes 12.
So it's pretty casual then.
Very casual. We just play for fun.
That's exactly what I need. No pressure.
Exactly. We joke around and have a good time.
Sounds perfect. Should I bring anything?
Just water and comfortable shoes. We have balls.
Great. Do you play for a long time?
About 90 minutes, give or take.
And after that?
Sometimes we grab food or drinks nearby.
Nice. A complete evening out.
Yeah, it's the highlight of my week.
I can imagine. I really need this.
Trust me, you'll love it.
All right. Count me in for Saturday.
Awesome. I'll text you the details.
Perfect. Thanks for inviting me.
No problem. See you Saturday.
See you then.
Swimming at the pool.
Excuse me, is the pool very crowded today?
Not really. It's pretty empty right now.
Oh, good. I don't like when it's too busy.
Me neither. That's why I come in the morning.
Smart. I usually come after lunch.
How often do you swim?
2 or 3 times a week. You?
Almost every day. It's my favorite exercise.
Really? Why do you like it so much?
It's relaxing and good for the whole body.
That's true. And it's easy on the joints.
Exactly. No impact like running.
Do you swim fast or slow?
Slow and steady. I'm not training for anything.
Same here. I just want to stay healthy.
That's the best reason. How long do you swim for?
About 30 minutes, maybe a bit more.
Perfect. I do around 45 minutes.
Do you do laps the whole time?
Mostly, yes. Sometimes I take short breaks.
I need breaks too. I'm not that strong yet.
You'll build endurance over time.
I hope so. Did you bring goggles?
Always. I can't swim without them.
Me too. My eyes get red otherwise.
Same problem here.
Is the water temperature okay today?
It's nice, not too cold, not too warm.
Perfect. I hate when it's too cold.
Me too. It's hard to get in.
Well, I'm ready to start now.
Enjoy your swim.
Thanks. You too.
Talking about different hobbies.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I'm really into photography. What about you?
Oh, that's interesting. I like hiking and being outdoors.
Nice. Do you go hiking often?
Maybe once or twice a month, when the weather is good.
Where do you usually go?
There are some nice trails in the mountains nearby.
That sounds amazing. I should try that sometime.
You should. It's very peaceful up there.
I'm more of an indoor person, to be honest.
Really? So, you take photos indoors?
Sometimes, but I also do street photography.
What's that exactly?
I walk around the city and capture everyday moments.
That sounds creative. Do you use a professional camera?
Yes, but sometimes I just use my phone.
Phone cameras are pretty good these days.
Absolutely. Technology has improved so much.
Do you ever show your photos anywhere?
I post some on Instagram and sometimes in small exhibitions.
Wow, exhibitions. That's impressive.
It's just local stuff, nothing fancy.
Still, that's really cool. I could never do that.
Sure you could. Anyone can learn.
Maybe. But I'm happy with my hiking for now.
That's fair. Everyone needs their own hobby.
Exactly. What made you interested in photography?
I've always loved capturing memories and beautiful things.
That's a great reason.
And hiking, what got you into that?
I just love nature and fresh air. It clears my mind.
I can understand that. It sounds very therapeutic.
It really is.
Learning to play guitar.
Is that a guitar case?
Yes. Do you play?
No, but I've always wanted to learn.
You should. It's never too late to start.
How long have you been playing?
About 5 years now.
Wow, that's a long time. Are you good?
I'm okay. I can play most songs I like.
That's impressive. Did you take lessons?
At first, yes, but then I learned from YouTube.
Really? YouTube can teach you guitar?
Absolutely. There are thousands of free tutorials.
I had no idea. That's amazing.
You just need patience and practice.
How often do you practice?
I try to play every day, even just 15 minutes.
15 minutes? That doesn't sound like much.
It adds up over time. Consistency is key.
That makes sense. Is it hard on your fingers?
At first, yes, they hurt quite a bit.
Really? For how long?
Maybe the first few weeks, then you build calluses.
Calluses?
Yeah, your skin gets tougher. Then it doesn't hurt anymore.
Interesting. What kind of guitar do you have?
An acoustic one. It's easier to carry around.
And electric guitars are different?
Yes, they need amplifiers and electricity.
Which one is better for beginners?
Acoustic is simpler. You just pick it up and play.
I think I'd like to try that.
You can get a decent beginner guitar for cheap,
Really? How much?
around $100 or so.
That's affordable. Maybe I'll buy one this month.
Do it. You won't regret it.
Can you show me something right now?
Sure. Let me take it out.
This is exciting.
Okay, listen to this simple chord.
Wow, that sounds beautiful.
See? Music is magic.
Visiting an art gallery.
Have you been to this gallery before?
No, this is my first time. You?
I came once last year. It's a nice place.
The building itself is beautiful.
I agree. Very modern architecture.
What kind of art do you like?
I love Impressionist paintings. You?
I'm more into modern and abstract art.
Really? I find abstract art hard to understand.
That's the beauty of it. Everyone sees something different.
I guess that's true. It's very personal.
Exactly. There's no right or wrong interpretation.
Do you paint yourself?
A little bit, just as a hobby.
That's wonderful. What do you paint?
Mostly landscapes and still life.
I wish I could paint. I have no talent for it.
It's not about talent. It's about practice.
Everyone says that, but I'm really bad.
You just need to try and not judge yourself.
Maybe you're right. How long is this exhibition?
I think it runs until the end of the month.
Good, so we can come back if we want.
Yes, I'd like to see it again more slowly.
There's so much to look at here.
I know. I feel a bit overwhelmed.
Let's take our time and enjoy each piece.
Good idea. Should we start on the first floor?
Yes, let's go upstairs later.
Perfect. Oh, Look at that painting over there.
Which one?
The one with the blue and gold colors.
Oh, I see it. It's stunning.
The colors are so vibrant.
And the brushwork is incredible.
I could stare at it for hours.
Me too. Art is really something special.
Playing chess in the park.
Do you want to play another game?
Sure, but I have to warn you, I'm not very good.
That's okay. I'm just playing for fun.
All right then, you can be white.
Thanks. Do you play chess often?
Not really, maybe once a month.
I play online sometimes.
Online? Is that fun?
It's okay, but face-to-face is better.
I agree. You can see your opponent's reactions.
Exactly. Okay, I'll move this pawn.
Let me think. I'll move this one.
Good move. How did you learn to play chess?
My grandfather taught me when I was a kid.
That's sweet. Do you still play with him?
Unfortunately, he passed away a few years ago.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay. Playing chess reminds me of him.
That's a beautiful way to remember someone.
Your turn. What will you do?
I think I'll move my knight here.
Interesting strategy.
Do you ever watch chess tournaments?
Sometimes online. Those players are incredible.
They think so many moves ahead.
Yeah, I can only think maybe 2 moves ahead.
Same here. Chess is harder than it looks.
Definitely. Oh no, I think I made a mistake.
Don't worry, it's just a game.
You're right. I'm too competitive sometimes.
Competition is good, but fun is better.
True. Okay. Your move.
Check.
Already? Let me see how to escape.
Take your time.
Okay. I'll move my king here.
Good defense. This is a close game.
Thanks. I'm trying my best.
At the ski resort.
Is this your first time skiing?
Yes, and I'm honestly terrified.
Don't be. Everyone feels that way at first.
Did you feel scared too?
Of course, but after a few tries, it gets easier.
How long have you been skiing?
Maybe 10 years on and off.
Wow, so you're an expert.
Not an expert, but I can handle most slopes.
That's still impressive to me.
You'll get there. Did you rent equipment?
Yes, skis, boots, and poles.
Good. Make sure the boots fit well.
They feel a bit tight.
That's normal. They should be snug.
Okay, that's a relief. Which slope should I try?
Start with the green one. It's the easiest.
Where is that?
Over there, to the left. See the sign?
Yes, I see it. Will you come with me?
Of course. I'll help you get started.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem. That's what friends are for.
How do I stop on skis?
You make a pizza shape with your skis.
A pizza shape?
Yeah, point your toes together and heels apart.
Like this?
Exactly. That will slow you down.
Got it. What about turning?
Shift your weight from side to side.
That sounds complicated.
It's easier when you're actually moving.
All right, I trust you. Let's go.
That's the spirit. Let's take the chairlift.
The chairlift? Is that safe?
Very safe. Just sit back and enjoy the view.
Okay, here goes nothing.
You're doing great already.
Thanks for being so patient with me.
Anytime. Welcome to the world of skiing.